For a decade, Gabriel has stashed his hard-earned money in his bank account, yet as the years have passed, his savings have grown exponentially, but he does not know where to invest. Even worse, as Gabriel's savings lay dormant, they've been hit by the rising inflation, diminishing in worth day by day. Gabriel is yearning to break free from holding cash and put it where it can truly thrive. And the purpose of this video is to show you exactly how. Today, we'll uncover 9 assets that are better than cash in the bank. We'll talk about everything from NFTs to foreign currencies and the untapped potential of raw materials in our quest to liberate Gabriel's savings from losing value at the bank. Watch this video until the end because the final asset we shall unveil has the potential to generate millions of dollars in profits over the long haul. Take 1 second, hit subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Luxury items. In the world of fashion and style, Gabriel has a unique opportunity to put his money into luxury collections. While celebrities have long been flaunting their opulent watches and bags, Gabriel can take a strategic approach and view these luxurious accessories as investments with tremendous long-term value. Now, one of the distinguishing factors that set luxury items apart is their rarity. Luxury brands deliberately produce limited quantities of their watches and handbags, which makes them exclusive. This scarcity enhances their desirability among enthusiasts, driving up their value over time. Gabriel can allocate his savings towards acquiring such limited edition pieces, positioning him for potential financial gains in the future. And that's not all. What makes luxury watches and handbags even more enticing as investments is their enduring popularity. Unlike fashion trends that come and go, these accessories become timeless classics that can retain their value for decades. They surpass the flow of fashion seasons, maintaining their status as coveted pieces. A decade from now, the demand for these sought-after accessories is likely to remain strong, further propelling their resale value. So while it may seem like Gabriel's favourite celebrity is splurging on luxury handbags, they could actually be making savvy business moves that could result in millions of dollars in profits down the line. Number 2. Bonds, stocks, and index funds. Going beyond luxury collections, Gabriel can explore other avenues for investment, such as stocks, bonds, and index funds. Ideally, stocks provide an opportunity for growth and wealth accumulation, allowing Gabriel to position himself for future success. He can carefully select stocks from trusted companies or promising newcomers, potentially reaping the benefits of their success and subsequent appreciation of stock value over time. But here's the thing, Gabriel must acknowledge that investing in stocks is a risky business. To diversify his portfolio and mitigate potential risks, Gabriel can turn to bonds. Bonds, often seen as debt instruments, offer a more stable investment option. I like to think of it as lending money to the issuer and receiving regular investment payments along with a return of the principal amount upon maturity. Bonds provide relative stability and act as a safeguard for Gabriel's savings, offering a better opportunity to counter rising inflation compared to traditional bank interest rates. But if Gabriel prefers a more hands-on approach to investing, index funds present an intriguing option. These funds pool together the best performing stocks from a specific index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund, Gabriel gains exposure to a diversified portfolio of stocks without the need for extensive individual company research and constant monitoring. The brilliance of index funds lies in their automatic optimization of performance. For example, if a particular stock within the fund fails to meet the necessary performance standards, it is swiftly replaced by the next top performing stock. This dynamic adjustment ensures that Gabriel's investment remains aligned with market trends, maximizing the potential for returns. Whether it's the consistent growth of the stock market or the emergence of new opportunities, index funds provide a reliable investment vehicle that keeps Gabriel's money actively working for him. Number 3. Vintage cars. Assuming that Gabriel has a passion for automobiles, he can invest in vintage cars. This niche market offers a unique investment opportunity, as certain classic vehicles have the potential to appreciate over time. Gabriel can immerse himself in research, attending car shows, auctions, and vintage car events to gain knowledge and insights into the market. He can focus on identifying classic vehicles with historical significance, rarity, and desirability among collectors. For instance, Gabriel may find that the classic Ford Mustang from the 1960s, renowned for its sporty design and association with the American muscle car culture, is highly sought after by collectors worldwide. Limited edition models or variants like the Shelby GT350 or GT500 can carry a premium value. But before making a purchase, Gabriel should meticulously evaluate the condition, provenance, and documentation of potential vintage cars. By building a well-curated collection of vintage cars and taking advantage of rising demand and limited supply, Gable can potentially generate significant returns on his investment. Number 4. NFTs. In the realm of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Gabriel has the chance to step into a digital world where art, music, collectibles, and virtual real estate intertwine. You see, NFTs are not just intangible assets. They represent a revolution in the way we create, distribute, and monetize digital content. Gabriel can dive into this fascinating world by acquiring NFTs and holding onto them, anticipating their appreciation over time. As artists, creators, and brands continue to embrace NFTs, the demand for these unique digital items will likely soar, further boosting their value. Gabriel's careful research and understanding of factors such as popularity, scarcity, and the reputation of creators will guide him through the intricate landscape of the NFT market. If he can navigate this field with prudence, Gabriel can position himself to potentially benefit from substantial returns on his NFT investments. Number 5. Foreign currencies. Gabriel can venture into the global financial markets by considering foreign currencies as an alternative to traditional cash investments. While the United States dollar is undeniably influential, its value can be subject to substantial fluctuations. Gabriel can broaden his horizons by exploring currencies known for their stability and resilience. The Swiss franc, for instance, has a history of exhibiting lower volatility compared to other major currencies, making it an attractive option. Likewise, the euro, the common currency used by numerous European countries, has demonstrated its ability to weather economic challenges. But here's the catch. Gabriel must tread cautiously and conduct comprehensive research before delving into foreign currencies. Economic factors, political stability, government policies, and market sentiment are all critical factors that Gabriel should carefully evaluate. Number 6. Art. Now, art stands as a unique investment option that goes beyond the boundaries of traditional financial instruments. While not every piece of art may carry a hefty price tag, there is a certain appeal that transcends monetary value. The history, story, and cultural significance behind a particular artwork significantly enhance its worth in the eyes of collectors. Gabriel can draw inspiration from renowned artists such as Vincent van Gogh or Leonardo da Vinci, whose works have become iconic symbols of artistic brilliance. The scarcity of the original pieces and the historical significance they carry make them highly sought after treasures. Collectors are willing to pay millions to own a piece of art history associated with these legendary artists. And here's the best part. Gabriel's investment options are not limited to paintings alone. He can explore other forms of art such as murals, handicrafts, sculptures, and artifacts. For instance, acquiring a mural by a celebrated street artist whose work has gained global recognition can prove to be a wise investment. As the artist's reputation and popularity grow, the value of their murals can appreciate significantly. The best thing about investing in historical artifacts is that it also contributes to the preservation and appreciation of cultural heritage. Number 7. Precious metals and stones. Precious metals and gemstones are great investment options for Gabriel if he truly wants to secure his cash. He can start by allocating a portion of his savings to established and time-tested assets like gold and silver. These metals have been valued for centuries as stores of wealth and can provide a sense of security and long-term growth potential. Gabriel can keep an eye on market dynamics, as the prices of gold and silver are closely tied to supply and demand. During times of market volatility or economic downturns, their value often experiences an upswing, making them valuable hedges against inflation and economic uncertainties. And that's not all. Gabriel can explore other precious metals like platinum and rhodium, which offer unique investment opportunities. These metals have limited global supply and high industrial demand, contributing to their higher valuation. By diversifying his portfolio with these metals, Gabriel can mitigate risk and potentially benefit from their appreciation over time. Furthermore, Gabriel can invest in gemstones. Diamonds, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires are among the most sought-after gemstones for investment purposes. Gabriel can focus on acquiring stones with exceptional characteristics, such as scarcity, colour, and clarity. He can tap into the enduring appeal and significant value of these natural treasures by understanding market trends, seeking expert advice, and acquiring high-quality gemstones. Number 8. Raw materials. Gabriel can explore the dynamic commodities market, a parallel universe to traditional stock markets. Understanding how to select the right commodities can be a game changer for Gabriel as he seeks to diversify his investment portfolio. Steel, a fundamental raw material for countless global projects, is a prime example of a commodity that maintains consistent demand. Gable can consider the significant role of commodities like oil and natural gas, which have a pervasive influence on product prices worldwide due to their extensive use in transportation and logistics. But if he truly wants to succeed in this field, Gable must acquire knowledge about such raw materials. He needs to carefully study factors such as supply and demand dynamics, government policies, economic trends, and geopolitical influences so he can position himself to identify promising investment opportunities in the market. This understanding will empower Gable to make informed decisions and potentially reap significant rewards. Number 9. Real estate and land. While investing in real estate requires massive amounts of capital, Gable can explore the option of pooling resources. This approach allows him to collaborate with like-minded individuals and collectively purchase properties or land of fair value. By joining forces, Gable can gain entry into the real estate market without shouldering the full burden of a mortgage on his own. This not only minimizes the individual risk, but also opens up a broader range of investment opportunities. Gable can carefully evaluate various factors such as location, market trends, and potential growth to determine the most suitable investment option. He can consider investing in commercial properties that have the potential to yield higher rental returns, or explore the purchase of agricultural land with lower initial investment costs, but better long-term returns through renting. By conducting thorough due diligence and working through a reputable group of investors, Gable can maximize his chances of success. Remember, the pursuit of financial success requires careful consideration, diligent research, and a willingness to adapt. It is a journey that demands patience and resilience. Embrace the lessons learned from Gable's options, understanding that you can conquer your darkest fears with the right tools and mindset. If you found this video beneficial, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Please share it with someone who might find value in it as well. And until we meet in the next video guys, thanks for watching.